What if the water you're saving is actually doing more harm than good? If you've never cleaned your water barrel, you might be storing bacteria, algae, mosquitoes, or even a dead critter without realizing it. Today, we're talking about something simple but super important: how to maintain and clean your water barrel. It doesn't matter what you're using your rain barrel for, keeping your barrel clean is key to safe and efficient water storage. As we go along, if you see something you like, give this video a like and click subscribe to get more videos to help you in your garden. Come on, let's get started.
The supplies that you'll need to clean out your rain barrel is super simple. Some soap, some disinfectants or bleach, a long arm brush or scrubby, water and hose, and of course, some elbow grease. The first thing you'll want to do is drain the water barrel. This is what it looks like inside when I pop the lid off of it. I was told this stuff smelled terrible. I turned it over and let it drain overnight to make sure the sediment came out. This is what it looks like the next day. Not so bad once that icky water is out.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the inside down, hit it with a little Clorox and some soap, scrub it down and spray it out one more time. I strongly encourage that you use the strongest stream that you have in order to get everything out, and let the water do the work for you.
After the first power wash, then you're going to hit it with a little bleach and a lot of soap. And here comes the elbow grease. You'll want to rinse and repeat this process until all the algae, sediment, and cleaning residue is out of the barrel. It may take a few times.
Alrighty, so now I'm going to check to see whether or not the spigot needs to be cleaned out, because that's a possibility that the sediment has built up in there, and we want to make sure that it flows properly. So I'm actually going to take the spigot off and then test it out in the sink. So as you can see, it's just a simple spigot. You just screw this onto the hole there.
Now's the time to also check and replace the spigot seal. You can get them at any home repair store. Mine is fine, so I'm not going to replace it this year. Now we're going to reattach the spigot. You're going to take this in and screw it into that hole. You can use some plumber's tape on the threads, but I'm not going to because I won't be able to get it off next time. Let's move on to the lid. I have to put mosquito mesh on both the top and the inside of the lid and attach it with duct tape. You can purchase mosquito mesh at any hardware store. You'll cut it to size, at least 2 inches larger than the opening, and then apply duct tape to it to hold it down. Voila! It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be functional.
When you put the lid back on, you want to make sure that the hole is towards the back, not towards the front. My particular model has 2 ways to put this on, and that's important. You see here now the downspout is positioned to go directly into my water barrel. And once there's water in this, it will stop it from going places. Next, we need to reattach the overflow spout to the longer overflow hose. Just pop the hose into the other one and tighten the metal hose clamp down with a screwdriver. That's it. A clean water barrel means safe, better quality water and less hassle in the long run. I appreciate you joining me today. Happy gardening!